What's up, babes? Welcome back. I'm pretty sure by the thumbnail and title, you guys already know we're here to talk about contacts. And the babes already know we love a good pair of contacts. I need my contacts not only for fashion, but also to see. And before we jump into trying on these contacts, I want to thank JUST4KIRA Contacts for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into trying on these lenses because y'all already know I gotta put my babes on. In case you've never heard of JUST4KIRA, they're a brand known for supernatural looking contacts without looking fake. These lenses were created to enhance your natural eyes, features, and overall look. It's giving your eyes, but upgraded, babe. JUST4KIRA contacts provide the babes with all-day comfort and hydration. These lenses are also certified by the FDA and CE approved. They also feature the advanced sandwich technology that keeps the pigment off of your eyes, so you can say bye to itchy, irritated, and dry eyes from contact lenses. Do y'all see these contacts? Look at this color. These blend so natural and they give that soft glam baddie look. Love that for the girls. And although I do not wear color contacts from a day-to-day basis, when it comes to color contacts, this is exactly what I'm talking about and looking for on those days and times where I do want to have a little color in my life. Listen, all of these colored contacts featured in today's video were picked by me, and as y'all can see, I definitely prefer something a little bit more neutral and natural. Yes, ma'am, we love a good old barely there natural enhancement over here, babe. Now, I don't know, babe. The brown is giving soft, warm, everyday, pretty kind of vibe. It's giving questions like, are those your real eyes type of vibe. But the gray is giving mysterious, clean, model off duty, baddie type of vibe. Listen, and the best part is that neither one of these look fake or too loud. They blend so good with my natural eyes. So if you're new to color contacts or wanting to try color contacts but don't want it to look obvious, start off with a brown or a gray. You cannot go wrong. Even a green too, sister. And the babes already know we do not gatekeep over here, so go try them all. Listen, go get that. Y'all see how good I'm looking? The Neela brown lenses are super beautiful. They're like the perfect mix between a brown and a green, and that sometimes green lenses on brown skin and dark eyes, this is exactly what I was talking about. Yes, ma'am. Perfect for the brown girls. Babe, tell me my eyes do not look 10 times bigger and brighter. No filter, no edit, just vibes. These last two lenses I have to try on are these beautiful brown shades. Although these contact lenses are super stylish and give that girl energy, it's important to note that I can wear these lenses all day without my eyes begging for help, y'all, because oftentimes contact lenses from these brands can be drying, super thick, super heavy, not lightweight at all. And as an avid contact wearer, I know how contacts are supposed to feel. They're not supposed to be itchy, your eyes should not be dry, and you should not be scratching your eyes. Listen, I love that JUST4KIRA provides the girlies with lightweight lenses that we can wear all day and be baddies, and it also gives super natural, affordable, and number one, comfortable. Now I guess we saved the best for last because crystal brown was my absolute favorite. I do believe I picked up 2 pairs of these. I did not know how much I was gonna love these until I got these, nor did I know I was gonna try these on last. But yes, ma'am, we definitely for sure saved the best for last. These are so gorgeous and look so beautiful on my eyes in so many different lights. Natural lighting, outdoor lighting, flash photography, and professional lighting. Honey, these is tea. And of course, I got my prescription added to all of these contact lenses, just in case you was wondering. I don't know why, because y'all already know I need my contacts to see. I literally chose the perfect time to try new contacts because I literally just renewed my eye prescription. So these are going to be my go-to contacts. And if you don't want to get left off bad and bougie, be sure to check out my description bar below. All of the links to the exact contacts listed in today's video will be linked down below. Of course, y'all already know I got the babes a coupon code, so use my coupon code ANGEL6 to save some coins. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye, babe.